In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Stepzz discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Stepzz discount codes. Right here, select this very first website, which is withrift.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% of discount, all you have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that you can copy and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, as you can see, we have other websites that we can use. For example, this one right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use. For example, let's say I want to get this one with 20% of discount. All I have to do is select show promo code right here. And this is the discount code. I can copy this one right here and I can apply it on my next purchase so that I can get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.